This is the first time I have seen such deep fatherly love. The owner is willing to spend nearly 1/10 of the original showroom price to restore this 2006 LS460 back to a like-new condition and then pass it on to his son. Born in 2006, he even promised that the day this car is finally retired, he will replace it with a brand new one. So without saying much more, let us congratulate this young man in advance on receiving such a meaningful car. While disassembling the engine, the interior was also removed in preparation for interior refurbishment. Even the key components must be completely dismantled, in preparation for outfitting the entire car with full rubber bushings. Parts are neatly arranged, ready for one person to assemble the engine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's listen to a sound together. The more classic the car model, the more willing owners are to have the interior restored to its original state. That's what truly brings a classic car back to life. The original dashboard was so worn out that it had to be completely torn down and rebuilt. By the way, replace the original sweet and sour ingredients with erasers. Arranging for the entire Parrot paint job to be disassembled and repainted further demonstrates attention to detail, leaving no blind spot untouched. The original car carpet can be washed and reused, saving the car owner several thousand yuan. Full car cleaning and beauty treatment. Come show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.